Hey guys, in this video I will be solving 8 Python problems which are related with booleans and conditional. So this video is the second video of the series Basics of Python. So before solving these problems, I highly recommend you to solve this and you can check with my solution. Okay, as you know, before to solve any problem, you have to go step by step and see that each step that we desire is correct or not. I will follow the same strategy here. Okay, now we will start from the first problem. So first problem is generate a number between 1 and 10 randomly and check whether the generated number is equal to 5. If it is equal, we have to print same, otherwise we have to print not same. So to generate any number, we have to use randint function from random. So we have to first import randint from random. So we will write from random import randint. Okay, now we have to generate a number between 1 and 10. So let the number be num1 and we have to generate number between 1 and 10. The function randint takes two arguments which are both integer and give the result as the number between that we are giving argument. That is, if we give 1 and 10, then the number that the randint will return will lies between 1 and 10, and 1 and 10 will include also. So let's see what it is returning. Go to terminal and type Python and your file name. My file name is Boolean Conditional Logic.py. As we can see, it is returning 5. Okay, so let's run more times. 3 3 3 4 4 3 2 10 7 2 3 5. As we can see, each and every time we get different number which lies between 1 and 10. Okay, now let's proceed. We have to check whether the generated number is equal to 5. If it is equal, we have to print same, otherwise we have to print not same. So I will comment this line and we have to apply here a if else condition. That is, if num1 is equals to 5, then we have to print same. Same will be in double inverted comma, and else the number is not equal to 5, so we have to print not same. Let's check the solution. Since the number may be generated it not equal to 5, that's why we got not same here. Let's check it. I will uncomment the commented line. Now I will run again. Okay, 6 is not equal to 5, so we got not same. 8 is not equal to 5 and we got not same. Okay, now we got same because the generated number is 5, that's why it is giving us same. So this is the solution of first problem. Now I will comment these parts. Now we'll go to second problem. In second problem, it is telling generate a number between 1 and 100 and check whether the number is odd or even. If the number is odd, we have to print odd, else we have to print even. So we have to do same thing here. Let the number be num1 and we have to use randint between 1 and 100. That is, the generated number will lies between 1 and 100. So, and we have to apply here if else condition. That is, if num1, a modulus operator 2 is equals to 0, that is, it is divisible by 2, then the number must be an even number. That is, we have to print even. Otherwise, the number must be an odd number. That is, we have to print odd. Okay, let's check. I will write number 1 also. Okay, now we will check the solution. As we can see, 77 is an odd number, so it gave odd. 93 is an odd number, but 38 is an even number. So this is the solution of second problem. Now I will comment these parts and we'll go to third problem. In third problem, we have to generate two numbers randomly between -1000 to 1000. So let's generate it first. Num1, we have to generate number between -1000 to 1000, and we'll give number 2 as second variable, and we have to generate again the same thing. Now I will print it also so that we can check it with the remaining solution, num1 and num2. Okay, we have to check, that is, if both the numbers are positive, then we have to print positive, and if both the numbers are negative, we have to print negative. And also it else print which one is positive and which one is negative. So we have to use if else if conditions here. So if num1 is greater than equal to 0 and num2 is greater than equal to 0, then the numbers must be an positive number. Then we have to print positive here. Else if num1 is less than 0 and num2 is less than 0, then we have to print negative. In else part, we have to check which one is positive and which one is negative. So we have to apply here an if else condition. If num1 is positive, that is greater than equal to 0, then we have to print, I will use here fstring method to print the result, that is num1 is positive. Else print, use a fstring method here, num1 must be a negative number. Okay, we have to also check for second variable, that is num2. So I will copy this and will paste it here, and will change num1 to num2. I will okay, so I have printed the num1 and num2 also. So now let's check the solution. Okay, both the numbers are negative, so we got negative here. Run it again. Both the numbers are positive, so we got positive here. Okay, 40 is positive and -50 is negative, so we have printed as 40 is positive and minus 50 is negative. So this is the solution of third problem. Okay, I will comment these parts and we'll go to fourth problem. In fourth problem, we have to define two variables and give them values as string. Let the first value be hello and second value be world. Now we have to find the length of these variables. So let's find it first. First len is equal to len of first len function will find the length of the first variable. Okay, and the length of second variable will be len of second. So to check, we will print these first len and second len. Okay, first we will check the length of these variables. As you can see, first and second are both of length 5, so we got here 5. And if we will change, then we will got different number. As you can see, 5 and 6 are printed. That is, this string is of length 5 and this string is of length 6. Okay, now we will proceed further. If the length of these variables are same, print the square of length value. So we have to apply here if else condition. If first len is equals to second length, then we have to print the square of the length value. We can use any variable, any length variable here because both are same. So we have to print square of this. To print square of this, write the variable and 2 star and then 2. It will print square of that value. So let's first check it. I will assign both the variables length as same and will check it. Since both the variables are of same length, so we got 5 because 5 square 2 is equals to 25. So let's also apply the else condition here. If they are not same, then we have to find if lengths are not equal, print the square of individual length. That is, we have to print individual square of length. That is first len star star 2, and we have to also print second length star star 2. Okay, so let's change the value of second variable and now we'll run the command. As we can see, the length of these two variables are not same and the length of first len is 5, so we got 25, and length of second variable is 6, so we got 36. So this is the solution of fourth problem. I will comment this part. Okay, now let's go to the fifth problem. In fifth problem, we have to define a variable as true false and assign a nan value to it. So we have to define a variable as true false and assign a nan value to it. Again, define two variables and assign numbers to them. So let the first variable be num1 and we will assign it 23, and second variable is num2 and we will assign as 12. Now if the number is divisible, the first number is divisible by second, then we have to change the true false to true, else we have to change it as false and we have to print true. So we have to apply if else condition here. That is, if num1, that is the first number, is divisible by the second number, that is num modulo separator num2 equals to 0. That is, num1 is divisible by 2. Then we have to change the first and sorry, to true false variable as true, and else we have to change the true false variable as false, and we have to print true false variable, that is true false. So the motto of this problem is we have to assign true false a boolean value and we have to print this. Okay, so I will clear the terminal first. We'll run it. Since 23 is not equal to 12, so we got false. And if it is equal, then we will get true. Okay, keep some other number to it. Let's set 24. Here we will get true because 24 is divisible by 12. So this is the solution of fifth problem. I will comment these parts and will go to problem number 6. In problem number 6, we have to take two inputs as string from the user. So let's first take the input as first equals to input and second equals to input. These two lines will, if we run on terminal, will ask you to enter numbers, two numbers. Okay, so if you want to check it, then you can check it. So we have to assign or enter two numbers or anything here, because by default if we don't write anything before int, it will be a string. That is, if we write something, then these two values will be string. We can check the type of these two variables as print type first and type second. Let's check it. I will give it a number first and then we'll give it true. As we can see, both are string. So by default, if we don't apply anything before input, then by default the values will be in string format. Okay, I will not comment these parts. Now, if they are equal, print true. Sorry, check whether the two strings are equal or not. If they are equal, we have to print true, which is a boolean value. So we have to apply if else condition here. That is, if first is equals to second, then we have to print a true boolean value. And also we have to concatenate these two strings and print the result. That is, we have to concatenate it as first plus second, and we have to print it. So this is the solution of these parts. Now we'll go to another part, that is, if they are not equal, we have to print false, which is a boolean value. That is, we have to apply else condition here. Else print false here. Now we have to print the two string in two different lines using new line escape sequence. So we have to print first and then a plus, open and close double inverted comma, backslash n, and again a plus sign and second. This will print first and second values in two different lines. So let's check it. I will give it a number here of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and will give hello. Since these two are not equal, so it will give us false and will print the values in two different lines. Okay, let's give the same value hello and hello. Since both are equal, so we got hello hello here because it will go to this part and will print true and then will concatenate it and will print it. So this is the solution of sixth part, that is sixth problem. Now we'll go to seventh problem. In seventh problem, we have to take two input as numbers from the user. If both the numbers are equal, we have to print true boolean that number of times. Okay, first we have to take number 1 as integer. To take input as integer, we have to use int function here, and inside int we have to take input. This will give integer as value. Also we have to take another input as integer, so we will do the same thing here. Okay, to check it, we can simply write type of that values as this num1 and type of num2. So let's check it first. I will clear the console. We have to give number as input, so let's give it some random number. As we can see, both are numbers, so we are taking input as number. Okay, since by default if we don't apply anything here, we will get string as value, as we have seen in the previous problem. So we have to apply int here to get input as integer. Okay, now let's proceed. If both the numbers are equal, we have to print true, which is a boolean that number of times. So let's apply an if else condition here. If num1 is equals to num2, then we have to print true that number of times, that is we have to multiply it by num1. So let's check it first. Okay, I will give 12 and 12. Okay, what we are doing wrong here? Okay, got it. The problem here is we cannot multiply a boolean with a number. So we have to first change the boolean value to a number or a string value. Since true is it is not a number, we can change this to a string value. So we will change this as str. It will change the true boolean value to a str value, and we are multiplying number 1 to it, and so we will get a true string into number, that is we will get true 12 times. So let's check it. I will give the same value here. As you can see, we got true 12 times. Okay, now we'll go to next part, that is if they are not equal, we have to find the lowest of them, and we have to print false lowest number of times. That is we have to multiply false into the minimum number between the two numbers. Now else, first we have to find the lowest number. So if num1 is greater than num2, then we have to print. First we have to change the Boolean value, that is false, and we have to multiply with num2 because num1 is greater than num2. Else num1 is less than num2. That is, we have to multiply str of false with num1. Okay, so let's check the output of our code. We have got the invalid syntax here because we have not written a star here. Okay, so let's run the command again. Now we will give two different numbers, that is 12 and 5. As we can see, 5 is the lowest number and it is not equal to 12. So we got false multiplied by 5, that is false written 5 times. So this is the solution of second problem. Okay, now let's go to 8th problem. In 8th problem, it is saying take a number as input from the user. If the number is of int type, we have to print true, which is of Boolean type. We have to square the number and print the result. And if the number is a float type, we have to print false Boolean, find the float of that number and print the Q of that number. Okay, this is not an easy problem because by default if we take input, it is of str type, that is string type, and also we cannot take directly the input as integer by using int or float by using float, because we have to check it first, that is it is an integer or float. So we will take the input by default str only. So let's take the input first. Now to solve this problem, we have to use try and except block, because if we solve this by saying that if the input is int, then we will get an error, because if the input we have taken is float, then it will give an value error. So we will use try and will change the number to int. This will change the string value to an int value. So if the number is of int type, print true. So now it is of int type, so we have to print true. And also we have to square the number and print the result. So we have to print the square of that number, that is num1 double star 2. This try block will check and change the string type to int type and will print the square of that number. In the except block, we will solve the case of float type, that is we will change the number in float and we have to print false. Now we have to find the floor of that number and print the cube of that number. So to find the floor of any number, we have to first import a module math, that is we have to import math here, which will make us to use a floor function. That is, we have to change the float value to a floor value. If we apply floor value here, we will get the number in int format. That is, if the number is 5.5, then we will get 5. If the number is 6.6, then we will get 6. Let me show you. I will comment these parts and will print math dot for num1. And also we have to change the number to a float value. We can easily do this by using float function here. Okay, now run the command on terminal. We have to give a float value t here. So we will give 2. So the output should come 2 here. Hit enter. And now the math.floor function changes the 2.3 value to 2. That is the floor value. So I will comment this one. I hope you understood the part and will uncomment these parts. Also I will comment this one also. Now we have to apply a math.float function here and change the float number to a number nearest to it. Now we have to print the Q of that number. So we can print it as num1 double star and 3. This will print the numbers Q. Okay, now I will run the command and will give 5 here. Since 5 is an int value, so we got here 25. And if we will give 5.5, since it is a float value, so it will go to accept part and it will print false and will change the float value to a floor value and will print a Q of that number, that is 125. So these are solutions of these 8 problems. I hope you understood all the 8 problems. Thank you for watching the video.